Here's how to add a device on Find My iPhone. So if you guys want to go ahead and add a specific device on your Find My iPhone application, in this video, I'm going to teach you guys step by step just how to do this, so please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the settings application. And once we're already here, let's go ahead and tap on our Apple IDs on the top corner or the top part of our screens. Now proceed with going on my Find My and make sure of course that your Find My is turned on. Now after you've made sure, let's go ahead and tap on the Find My application. And if you want to go ahead and basically add a device on here, what you need to go ahead and do is to go ahead and basically choose as well if you want to go ahead and share your location to other people. You could actually go ahead and do so as you see right here and tap on Start Sharing Location. Now, if you want to go ahead and technically add a device or add this device to another Find My option on another iPhone, we need to tap on Start Sharing Location, then entering the specific Apple ID emails or Apple ID numbers of the specific person or the specific device that you want to go ahead and add this device to. Now, to make things even more clearer, if you want to go ahead and add a device on your Find My iPhone, the person that basically owns the device that you want to go ahead and add must go ahead and launch their Find My application, tap on People, tap on Start Sharing Location, and then type in your Apple ID details right here to start sharing their location onto your Find My device. And it's just that simple, guys, to add a device on your Find My iPhone. So please like this video if you guys learned something. Take care, and I'll see you guys on the next one.